Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, coming at you with another merch search video, but this one will be slightly different than the other ones we've done more recently. In today's video, we're only going to visit one store here at Islands of Adventure. I really like this store because it focuses on the smaller IPs. Not like, say, the Trading Company, which features the large IPs like The Simpsons or the Minions or Harry Potter. This store has the smaller ones, and I like that. It's the main store in Toon Lagoon. It's called Toon Extra, though I can't find that verbiage anywhere on the facade. It has an entrance by Photo Funnies, Flash Gordon, Hagar, and Beetle Bailey. It's going to have a section for Hello Kitty, Gabby's Dollhouse, Peanuts, Betty Boop, Scooby-Doo, and a couple others. And we'll just begin our merch search in the Scooby-Doo section. Beware of monsters. This t-shirt is $30. Personally, I love this t-shirt. I want to get this for Halloween Horror Nights. It's a fun t-shirt year-round, but I think for Halloween Horror Nights, it's a great t-shirt to have. $50 for this Scooby-Doo hoodie. It's a pull-over-your-head hoodie. The main graphic on the front, it has the gang running down the left sleeve. A very similar hoodie. Also $50, black, pull over your head. It just has the one main graphic of the whole gang there on the front of the hoodie. $30 for this Scooby-Doo t-shirt featuring the Mystery Machine, but just with the Scooby and Shaggy in the Mystery Machine. $30. A Mystery Machine mug, $20. That has that graphic there on both sides of the mug. $30 for the ceramic bowl. That graphic. $30 for the ceramic bowl. That graphic is on both sides of the bowl. Also comes with chopsticks. $17 for this Scooby and Shaggy water bottle. $60 for this purse. The Mystery Machine with the entire gang. Let's show you the inside of it. There you go, that's the inside. Just kind of a Mystery Machine blue, it looks like. Here we have a Scooby-Doo lounge fly with Scooby holding a box of Scooby snacks. The arms there, the paws I think they're magnetized so they can hold the Scooby snacks. And we'll show you the back side because we have Scooby's tail and the lounge fly tag there. It's a very soft furry lounge fly. Now the sticker says at first $79, but that's been replaced with a different sticker that says $55, and I only see this one and one other. If you're watching this video, you better come fast. It's on sale for $55, it looks like. Oh, sorry about that, Scooby. There we go. Let's get a better look at Scooby's face. There we go. $55 now for this. $35 for the Scooby Ears headband and collar. $30 for the Scooby plush. Good size plush. Cute. I love that smile of Scooby there. $30 for the Mystery Machine plush, which features a little Scooby on it. I hope it's Scooby, because when it stands up here, it's a little scary. It looks almost like Scrappy-Doo. God, I hope not. $24 for 3 pair of Scooby socks. $30 for the huge plush hamburger that says Scooby-Doo on it and has a little Scooby-Doo in it. A little pocket for Scooby there. Got a large hamburger plush featuring, where you at, Scooby? Scooby-Doo, where are you? Oh, there you are. Moving on to Betty Boop, we have 2 Betty Boop t-shirts here. Each one is $30. I believe they are both like ladies t-shirts. The way the sleeves are kind of cut leads me to believe that. Each one is activated by the sun. Changes a little bit when they are in the sun. But there you go. Take a good look at those 2. $20 for the Betty Boop mug. That's one side of the mug. It does change. Different one on, different image on the other side. Inside, just white, but there you go. That's what that mug looks like if you're a Betty Boop fan. Betty Boop is a character that walks around and does meet and greets here in Toon Lagoon. This mug looks to be fancier, but it's the same price. 20 bucks. I would have thought this would have been at least $1 more. This Betty Boop t-shirt, a little more expensive than the first two I showed you. This one's $37. Keep your lashes long and standards high. For $65, this is a hoodie that is meant to look like a varsity jacket. That's the front of it. It does have a hood. See the hood right there? And that's on the back of the hoodie. Here's another mug, but this one's only 18 bucks. Multiple images of Betty Boop on this one.
They're Popeye ones.
Black inside. It's a pretty sharp looking mug. $55 for the Betty Boop backpack. That's the front of it. The side has a little side pocket. No, that's not a pocket. It's not a pocket. But it does have Betty Boop on the side. The back's pretty plain. But the front's pretty cute. Did I give you the price? Yeah, $55. $20 for this extremely large Betty Boop cup, or even like a mug. I mean, you can have anything in this. Like, this is like big enough for like a bowl of soup. That's one side of it. And that is what the reverse side looks like. But this is super big. Have some chicken noodle soup in that. Some chili. $37 for the Be Sassy t-shirt, which ties in a knot up front. $18 for the Betty Boop name mug. Find your name. Do they have my name? Where's the R's? I'm not seeing. It looks like, is it just girl names? Well, they all look like girl names. So we're not going to find Rick or Richard in that group. But, oh, I'll give you, here, maybe a closer look at them. There you go. Beverly has her mug. $28 for the Betty Boop bucket hat. You know, a lot of these are reversible, but this one is not. This is just a one-sided bucket hat for 28 bucks. $25 for the Betty Boop plush. And the larger plush is $22. $33 for this t-shirt. It's more like, to me, like a nightgown or like a pajama t-shirt is what I think it would be worn for, but I guess you could wear it out, but to me it's more like a nighttime go to bed t-shirt. $29 for the Betty Boop slippers. Before I go any further in the merch search, let me encourage you that if you like these videos, the merch search videos, let me encourage you to become a channel member to help me keep doing these videos. If you look at my channel, these are like the lowest performing videos. So sometimes I wonder if it's worth me coming out here to do the videos, but I do know there's a small segment of my channel viewers that like these. If you want to keep the videos on the channel, please consider becoming a channel member. The lowest level channel member is less than a bottle of soda at a convenience store. So it's not very much, but help me keep these going on the channel. But if they don't make it, that's okay too. I'll just figure out some other type of video to do. But now back inside the store for more merchandise. Let me show you this Popeye t-shirt for $27. It's yellow and says plant-based. A good gift for Father's Day. Best pops ever. $30 to make Dad happy with this t-shirt. Check out this one. I am what I am. 100% American. Sleeveless. So if you got some muscles, want to show them off, this is the shirt for you. I've shown you the peanut stuff in a previous video, so I'm not going to do that, but that is $70. I'll just remind you that bag there is $70. Another Betty Boop item over here, a couple of Betty Boop items that I almost missed. This large bag of Betty Boop's head. what does that say? $65? That's one side. I would guess the other side. Yeah. Is that Pudgy? Is that Pudgy on the back? I think so. But $65 for that large bag. And $75 for this black backpack. It's got Betty Boop down there on the bag and a couple little accessories you can hang on it. Pudgy, I think that's the name. Let me know if I'm wrong. And a pair of lips for that. There's the Rainbow Bright stuff I showed in a previous merch search video. They currently have some Minions in here, but like I said, they have that stuff at the trading company at the front of the store, so I'm not going to cover that in here. I like the smaller IPs, like the Gabby's Dollhouse stuff. That plush there. Let's see. Let's check on that. That one's $25 for it. $23 for the T-shirt, which I believe comes only in children's sizes. The tutu on the mannequin is $40. A large section of the store is dedicated to Hello Kitty. I've shown a lot of this stuff in the past. I'm going to try not to repeat myself, but let me pick out some favorite items or some things that I think look really cool to show you. 40 bucks for this Hello Kitty t-shirt. Now here is a t-shirt I know I haven't shown you before. Let me zoom in a little bit. $37 for it. I haven't seen this before. $30 for this Hello Kitty figurine. $24.99 for the play figures. The box is pretty cool, and I might add, it comes with 3 scenes for play. So you get the little action figures, if you will, and 3 scenes in the box to help you play. Look, it's Hello Kitty going to the movies. Going to go see a 3D movie. $25 for this. There's a whole wall of Hello Kitty Chucky merchandise, and I have shown, I think, all of this in the past, except for maybe this. I don't know if I've shown this before. Hello Kitty Chucky. She wants you for a best friend. Let's see, can we find a price on this one? $45. 45 bucks for it. And then I don't think I've shown this Hello Kitty Chucky shirt before. It's a long sleeve shirt, but it's cut at the bottom to crop it. It is, what is that? Oh, 65 bucks for that shirt there. I feel like I've shown this bag before, but I'm a little unsure if I have or not. $65 for it. My apologies, there aren't any prices on these, but I have to show you anyway. Reversible plushies. You have that there. See, it reverses inside out, I guess, somehow. And then this one and this one. It reverses. I wish I could tell you a price. I can't. But at least now you know they are here. $35 for this Hello Kitty t-shirt. This is another one I haven't seen before. So this one's kind of new. $23 for the Hello Kitty and Friends scented candle. Is that in focus? Okay, now it is. 23 bucks. Well, I'm so happy I'm finding things I haven't seen before. $20 for these pins, a set of 3 for 20 bucks. There's a shirt that kind of goes with it. Let me show you that. $45 for the t-shirt, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. This is kind of new too. These characters also go down the sleeve. But another new shirt, long sleeve. It feels pretty unique, feels good. Like I said, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. $12 for the 2 magnets. 22 bucks for the book here. Yeah, this must be a new line to see Hello Kitty and her friends in this style. So, a good time to show you this. Good thing I popped in here today. A new line of Hello Kitty merchandise. How about that? But again, the little notebook thing here is $22. $45 for the Gabby's Dollhouse. This is kind of like a jogger set. But I mean, the shirt or the jacket is $45. And then you have the jogger pants over here. Can I find the price of these? $25. So you can make it into like a jogger set. And again, I think these are just children's sizes. $35 for the Gabby's dollhouse. I almost said hello, Gabby. Hello, Gabby. The Gabby's dollhouse headwear. That'll keep you. Oh, what's it? What's this? Something's there. It says press here. What does it do? It does something. Is this one going to do it? Let me read the tag and see what it does. There you go. It says press button for light up. 3 different lighting effects. Antenna will wobble when we move. Okay, that will do it for this merch search video. Hopefully we'll get to do some more. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun, and watch this next.